no se resigna. Acompáñenos.
Hey guys, Christian here, Heart and Hustle, empowering you guys to live a kick-ass life. In today's video, I wanted to talk about making money with your creativity. Now, when I go out and I speak to people and I tell people, yo, you need to start your own business. Do something with your creativity that you're passionate about so you can take your life to the next level. And a lot of people are to the point where they're ready to jump from employee to business owner, but there's a lot of confusion. When I tell people start your own business, I know that their mind goes straight to employees, merchandise, rent, and licenses. And what I tell people, I go, bro, if you haven't even thought about how to start your own business, you gotta go to step one. That's like a video game and you're starting on level 15. That's not possible and that's not the way it works. Go back to step one. And in this week's video, I'm gonna break down the 5 steps that I recommend you take today to get the ball rolling. So step number 1 is, what are you gonna do? What are you passionate about and what do you feel is gonna have legs in this market? What are you gonna offer to the market? Number 2 is, what's the name of your organization? And when I tell people that, they feel like, oh, what? I don't have an organization, I'm just one person. Nah, bro. All the big organizations, Nike, Honda, Tesla, all the big companies, there was one person that decided to make it happen. So when I tell you that you have an organization, you have an organization, you just need to organize, and it starts with one. So what are you gonna do? What's the name of your organization? Then once you've created the name of your organization, create the Gmail. Once you have the name of your organization, create the Gmail. So it would be yourorganization@gmail.com. Once you've done that, step number 4 is create the hashtag. Hashtag your organization, and start posting that on all your social media, which brings me to step number 5. Step number 5 is, at bare minimum, launch an Instagram, launch a Facebook page for it, and launch a YouTube channel. Now let me give you a big secret. Your first 6 months of your YouTube channel is not to gain followers or subscribers. Your first 6 months of your YouTube channel is actually training for you to figure out and get comfortable with being in a public setting, pulling your phone out, recording, making sure your audio is on point, making sure the lighting is on point, making sure everything is as good as you can possibly make it with what you have to play with now, editing and uploading the video. And that process takes time to perfect, because each one of those is another thing that you have to apply, that you have to do. And it is a little awkward at first, but let me tell you, once you connect a dollar bill to that process, all of a sudden you'll be like, damn, that's pretty dope. And so that's the 5 first things that I would do if I wanted to start making money with my creativity. Now, to help you along even more, I have created what I call the Heart and Hustle Quick Start Program. I just gave away the first portion, which is the PDF and the 5 steps that every business owner needs to take when starting their business. Number 2 is 14 concepts that differentiate an employee to a successful business owner in their perspective and their mentality and the way they process information. And number 3, which I think is the best piece, is called the hashtag Daily Hustle Guide. I'm gonna give this one completely away as a free gift to everyone that decides to download it. You can just hashtag Daily Hustle Guide on Google. You'll see the PDFs and you can download it and print it today. And so the Daily Hustle Guide is this sheet of paper right here. And it has different areas that you need to pay attention to throughout your day, every day, that will keep you focused and attentive to building your brand, to building your organization, and to taking your life to the next level. And one distinction that I tell people is, and a lot of business owners don't even know this, because I do a lot of executive coaching, and a lot of business owners, they have a limited perspective of the impact that their business is supposed to make. Now I will say this, when I talk to business owners, I tell them, look, you didn't start a business to play business. You started a business to elevate the quality of your life. And sometimes that has nothing to do with money. Sometimes that has everything to do with perspective, strategy, and implementation. And that's where the value of coaching comes in. And that's the reason that I decided to release these videos, is because I wish someone would have taken the time to tell me this information when I was starting out. It would have saved me 30 years of bullshit. Not literally, but it would have saved me about 17, 18. But that's a big statement that I want to put out there, just so you can see the impact that this will have on your life, your hustle, and taking you to the next level. And don't get it twisted. Let me make sure that I clarify. Not that you get to the next level and then you're done. What I've noticed about the winners in life is they are the hungriest students to get to the next level until they're very, very old. These people never retire. They never think about quitting. They never think about stopping. All they focus on is different ways to be better, more efficient, and get to the next version of themselves. And they're always putting deals together. And the hustle will keep you young. Let me be the first to tell you. So again, recap. What is it that you're gonna offer? What's the name of your organization? What's the Gmail? What's the hashtag? Launch the social media. And I will say this last tip about the social media. And I learned this from Gary Vaynerchuk. Shout out Gary V. I appreciate you and I appreciate all the information you're dropping. If you don't know who Gary V is, I'll tag him in the bio before. Definitely want to follow him if you're getting into this digital marketer scene. But one thing he taught me and I've learned, and it has helped me tons with creating content, is don't think about the content you want to create. Instead, as you're moving forward throughout your day, pull your phone out, shoot a video, upload it, tell me a story, tell me part of what it is that you're doing, upload it onto the platform of your choice and put it out to the world. Document the journey of you going from here to here, and people want to hear your story. People want to know what you're about. There's people that are literally right now waiting to get the thing that you're questioning to do. So I'm here to tell you, do it now, do it today, get the ball rolling, and I promise that you're this close to getting to the next level. Maybe from where you're standing, you feel it's this far, but it literally is this close, and it's something that you can do today. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you guys at the very top. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I'll see you at the top. All right? Peace.